After 40, your body changes overnight. Foods you think are healthy start turning into belly fat, and here's the warning no one tells you. Even small amounts of hidden sugar can completely block fat burning. If you don't fix this now, that stubborn belly stays. But certain low-sugar foods can flip your body back into fat-burning mode, fast. Let's get into it. Fat-burning secret from the sea. Sardines. Small, simple, and often ignored, but sardines might be one of the most powerful fat loss foods you can eat after 40. The first thing they do? Flood your body with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats directly fight inflammation, which is one of the biggest hidden reasons your body holds on to stubborn belly fat. But it doesn't stop there. Sardines are also incredibly rich in high-quality protein, which helps you stay full for hours and reduces unnecessary snacking. And after 40, this becomes critical because your metabolism naturally slows down, and protein helps keep it active by preserving muscle mass. The more muscle you maintain, the more calories your body burns, even when you're resting. There's also something most people don't realize. Sardines are loaded with key nutrients like vitamin D and calcium, which support hormone balance and overall metabolic health. When your hormones are balanced, your body becomes much more efficient at burning fat instead of storing it. And the best part? They're convenient, affordable, and require zero preparation. Just a small serving a few times a week can make a real difference in how your body responds to fat loss. And before we go to the next one, I've put together a free ebook, Top 30 No-Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. You'll find it in the description and first comment. Make sure you grab it. Eat more. Lose more? Zucchini. It sounds almost wrong, eating more food to lose belly fat, but that's exactly what zucchini helps you do. This low-sugar vegetable is incredibly low in calories but high in volume, which means you can eat a large portion and still keep your calorie intake low. That's a huge advantage after 40, when your metabolism naturally slows down. The real power of zucchini is how it controls hunger. It's rich in water and fiber, which helps fill your stomach quickly and keeps you feeling full for longer. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and a much easier time staying in a calorie deficit without feeling like you're starving yourself. But there's more. Zucchini also supports digestion and reduces bloating, two things that can make your belly look bigger even if you're losing fat. When your digestion improves and your body holds less water, your stomach naturally looks flatter and tighter. And because zucchini is so versatile, you can use it in so many ways: grilled, sautéed, or even as a low-carb replacement for pasta. It's one of the easiest foods to add to your daily meals without changing your lifestyle too much. And before we move to the next food, take a second to like the video and subscribe. It really helps more than you think. Quiet fat loss helper, mushrooms. They don't look powerful, they don't taste extreme, but mushrooms work quietly in the background, and that's exactly why they're so effective. One of their biggest benefits, supporting your metabolism without adding extra calories. They're incredibly low in sugar and calories, yet rich in nutrients your body needs to function properly. What makes mushrooms special is how they help regulate blood sugar levels. After 40, even small spikes in blood sugar can lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. Mushrooms help keep those levels stable, which makes it easier for your body to stay in fat-burning mode instead of constantly switching back to fat storage. They also contain compounds that support your immune system and reduce inflammation, another major factor behind stubborn belly fat. When inflammation is high, your body becomes resistant to fat loss. But when you reduce it, everything starts working more efficiently. And here's something most people overlook. Mushrooms can actually replace higher calorie ingredients in your meals. You can use them instead of part of your meat, add them to eggs, or mix them into dishes to increase volume without increasing calories. That means you feel full, satisfied, and still stay on track. Simple, underrated, but incredibly effective when used consistently. Flatten your belly fast. Asparagus. Sometimes it's not just fat, it's what your body is holding on to. And asparagus targets exactly that. One of its strongest benefits is its natural diuretic effect, meaning it helps your body release excess water and reduce bloating. That alone can make your stomach look noticeably flatter in a short time. But it goes deeper than that. Asparagus is rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps your gut work more efficiently. And after 40, digestion often slows down, leading to that uncomfortable, bloated feeling. When your digestion improves, your body processes food better, and fat loss becomes much easier. There's also a powerful hidden benefit. Asparagus contains compounds that help balance your body's internal systems, including blood sugar and metabolism. When those are stable, your body is far less likely to store fat, especially around the belly. And the best part? It's simple to add to your meals, lightly grilled, steamed, or added as a side dish. It works quietly in the background, helping your body get rid of what it doesn't need. Light, clean, and surprisingly powerful. Burn more at rest. Turkey. It doesn't look like a fat loss food, but turkey can completely change how your body burns calories after 40. The first thing it does, deliver a powerful dose of high-quality protein. And that matters more than ever, because as you age, your body naturally loses muscle, and with it, your metabolism slows down. Turkey helps stop that. It supports muscle maintenance, which keeps your metabolism active. And here's the key. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even when you're doing nothing. That's exactly what you need if you're trying to lose stubborn belly fat. But there's another advantage most people overlook. Protein-rich foods like turkey keep you full for much longer, which means fewer cravings and less mindless snacking throughout the day. Instead of constantly fighting hunger, your body feels satisfied, making fat loss much easier to maintain. And because turkey is naturally low in sugar and relatively low in fat, it gives your body clean, efficient fuel without triggering fat storage. You can add it to salads, wraps, or simple meals and instantly upgrade your fat loss strategy. Simple, lean, but extremely powerful when used consistently. Stay full for hours. Chia seeds. Tiny seeds, but once they hit your stomach, everything changes. Chia seeds absorb water and expand, forming a gel-like texture that takes up space in your stomach. That simple effect helps you feel full much faster and stay full for much longer. After 40, when hunger feels harder to control, this becomes a huge advantage. But the real power of chia seeds is how they stabilize your blood sugar. Instead of sharp spikes and crashes that trigger cravings, they slow down digestion and keep your energy steady. That means fewer sudden urges for sugar, fewer snacks between meals, and a much easier time staying on track with fat loss. There's also a deeper benefit. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and healthy fats, both of which support your metabolism and digestive health. When your digestion is working properly and your body is processing food efficiently, it becomes much easier to burn fat, especially around the belly. And the best part? They're effortless to use. You can add them to yogurt, water, smoothies, or even just let them soak and drink them. No cooking, no preparation, just a small daily habit that quietly helps control appetite and support fat loss. Small, simple, but incredibly effective. Stay full without overeating. Cottage cheese. It looks simple, almost boring, but cottage cheese is one of the smartest foods you can use after 40. The first thing it gives you is a strong hit of protein, and not just any protein, but slow digesting protein that keeps you feeling full for hours. And that's the key. After 40, hunger can sneak up on you, especially at night. Cottage cheese helps control that by releasing energy slowly, which means fewer cravings and less late-night snacking, one of the biggest causes of stubborn belly fat. But there's more happening behind the scenes. Cottage cheese supports muscle maintenance, which is critical for keeping your metabolism active. The more muscle your body holds onto, the more calories you burn, even when you're resting. That's exactly what you want when trying to lose fat without extreme dieting. It's also naturally low in sugar, making it a safe option that won't spike your blood sugar or trigger fat storage. And because it's so easy to eat, on its own or with a few low-sugar toppings, it fits perfectly into any routine without effort. Simple, steady, and surprisingly powerful for fat loss. Eat more, weigh less. Green beans. It sounds too simple to work, but green beans are one of those foods that quietly make fat loss easier. The first thing they do is fill you up without loading your body with calories or sugar. You can eat a generous portion and still stay in a calorie deficit, which is exactly what you need to lose belly fat after 40. But the real advantage is how they slow things down in the best way. Green beans are rich in fiber, which helps slow digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied longer. That means fewer cravings, fewer snacks, and a much smoother fat loss process without constant hunger. There's also a hidden benefit many people overlook. Green beans help support stable blood sugar levels. And after 40, this becomes critical because even small spikes can push your body into fat storage mode. Keeping your blood sugar steady makes it easier for your body to stay in fat burning mode. And because they're so easy to add to any meal, as a side dish, mixed into salads, or paired with protein, they work quietly in the background, helping you stay consistent without extra effort. Simple, underrated, but very effective when used daily. Flat stomach effect. Cabbage. Sometimes it's not just fat, it's what's happening inside your gut, and cabbage targets that directly. The first thing it does is support digestion, helping your body process food more efficiently and reduce that heavy, bloated feeling that makes your belly look bigger than it actually is. But here's where it gets powerful. Cabbage is loaded with fiber, which keeps things moving smoothly in your digestive system. After 40, digestion often slows down, leading to discomfort and buildup. When your digestion improves, your body becomes more efficient efficient at using nutrients and burning fat instead of storing it. There's also a deeper benefit most people ignore. Cabbage contains compounds that support gut health and help reduce inflammation. And inflammation is one of the hidden reasons your body holds on to stubborn belly fat. When you reduce it, your body starts responding better to fat loss naturally. And because cabbage is low in sugar and calories, you can eat a lot of it without worrying about weight gain. Whether it's raw in salads, lightly cooked, or added to meals, it's an easy way to improve digestion and support a flatter stomach. Simple, cleansing, and surprisingly effective. Control your appetite. Eggplant. It doesn't get much attention, but eggplant can quietly change how much you eat every day. The first thing it does is help you feel full faster. It's low in calories and sugar, but high in fiber, which means it fills your stomach without overloading your body with extra energy. And that's exactly what you need after 40. Because the real challenge isn't just what you eat, it's how much. Eggplant helps you naturally reduce portion sizes without forcing yourself to eat less. You feel satisfied, not restricted, and that makes fat loss much easier to stick to. But there's more happening behind the scenes. Eggplant supports digestion and slows down how quickly food is absorbed in your body. This helps keep your blood sugar stable, preventing those spikes that lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. There's also a practical advantage. Eggplant absorbs flavors extremely well, which means you can turn simple, healthy meals into something enjoyable without adding sugar or heavy sauces. That makes it easier to stay consistent. And consistency is everything when it comes to losing belly fat. Simple, filling, and surprisingly effective when used the right way. Stop cravings fast. Pumpkin seeds. It usually starts with a small craving, then suddenly, you're reaching for snacks you didn't plan to eat. That's where pumpkin seeds come in. The first thing they do is give your body a powerful combination of protein and healthy fats, the exact nutrients that help shut down hunger quickly. And after 40, this becomes critical, because cravings aren't just about willpower, they're often caused by imbalances in your body. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar and reduce those sudden urges for sugar and junk food. But there's more. These small seeds also support hormone balance and stress control. And stress is a hidden driver of belly fat. When it's high, your body tends to store more fat, especially around the midsection. By helping your body stay balanced, pumpkin seeds indirectly support fat loss. They're also incredibly convenient. A small handful between meals can keep you satisfied and prevent overeating later. No preparation, no effort, just a simple habit that makes a big difference over time. Small, crunchy, but surprisingly powerful when it comes to controlling cravings and supporting fat loss. Shrink the belly look. Celery. It feels too simple to matter, but celery works in a very specific way that most people overlook. The first thing it does is help your body get rid of excess water. It's naturally hydrating and acts as a mild diuretic, which means it helps reduce water retention, one of the main reasons your stomach can look bigger than it actually is. And after 40, this becomes even more important. Your body tends to hold on to more water and digest food more slowly, leading to that constant bloated feeling. Celery helps counter that by supporting hydration and digestion at the same time, making your stomach feel lighter and flatter. There's also a powerful hidden benefit. Celery is extremely low in calories and sugar, yet it still takes energy for your body to digest it. That means you're getting volume and satisfaction without adding extra calories, a simple but effective way to stay in a calorie deficit without feeling restricted. And because it's so easy to eat, raw with dips or added to meals, it becomes one of those small daily habits that quietly support fat loss without effort. Light, refreshing, but surprisingly effective when used consistently. Plant protein that works. Tofu. It might not be the first food you think about, but tofu can quietly support fat loss in a powerful way. The first thing it gives you is clean, plant-based protein, which helps keep you full, reduces cravings, and supports muscle maintenance. And after 40, that combination becomes essential for keeping your metabolism active. But here's where tofu really stands out. It's naturally very low in sugar and doesn't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. That means your body stays in a more stable, fat-burning state instead of constantly switching into fat storage mode, something that happens easily with higher sugar foods. There's also a deeper benefit. Tofu contains compounds that may support hormone balance, especially important as your body changes with age. When your hormones are more stable, your body becomes much more efficient at managing weight and reducing stubborn belly fat. And because tofu is incredibly versatile, it fits into almost any meal. It absorbs flavors easily, making it simple to prepare in a way that actually tastes good, without needing sugary sauces or heavy ingredients. Different, simple, but very effective when used consistently. Boost your metabolism quietly. Seaweed. It's not a typical food on most plates, but seaweed works in a way very few foods do. The first thing it supports is your thyroid, the gland that controls how fast your body burns calories. And after 40, when metabolism naturally slows down, this becomes extremely important. Seaweed is rich in iodine, a key mineral your thyroid needs to function properly. When your thyroid is working well, your body becomes much more efficient at burning fat instead of storing it, especially around the belly. But there's more happening behind the scenes. Seaweed is also low in sugar and calories, yet packed with fiber and antioxidants. This helps support digestion, reduce inflammation, and keep your body in a healthier fat-burning state overall. There's also a subtle advantage most people miss. Seaweed can help you feel satisfied without overeating. It adds volume and nutrients to your meals without adding extra calories, making it easier to stay consistent with your diet. And while it may seem unfamiliar, it's actually easy to include, whether in small snacks, salads, or alongside meals. Just a little bit can go a long way in supporting your metabolism. Different, powerful, and quietly effective. Craving something sweet, but dangerous? Berries. This is where most people fail. That moment when you want something sweet, and you reach for sugar without thinking. That's exactly how belly fat builds up after 40. But berries give you a way out, without ruining your progress. The first thing they do is satisfy your sweet cravings naturally. They have just enough sweetness to feel like a treat, but unlike most fruits, they're low in sugar and high in fiber. That combination slows down how sugar enters your bloodstream, preventing the spikes that lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. But there's something even more powerful. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that fight inflammation inside your body. And inflammation is one of the hidden reasons fat becomes stubborn and hard to lose after 40. When you reduce it, your body starts responding better to fat loss again. There's also a psychological advantage. When you allow yourself something sweet without guilt, it becomes much easier to stay consistent. Instead of feeling restricted, you feel in control. And that consistency is what actually leads to real, lasting results. Simple, sweet, but incredibly smart. After 40, belly fat isn't about eating less. It's about avoiding the wrong foods and choosing the right ones. These low-sugar foods help your body get back into fat-burning mode, reduce cravings, and finally flatten that stubborn belly. Don't forget to download your free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's in the description and the first comment. And if you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these foods will you start eating today?